So this is going to be a reading for sign of Aries, all that I need to know. Okay, so let's start. What are you guys going through? First card we have for you is Knight of Pentacles. Some of you guys might be finding yourself stuck in a situation, not being able to make a move, or take that leap of faith. You guys still find yourself stuck. Okay, even if you guys might not be entertaining the situation, you guys can't find a way out of it. You guys are still at that crossroad situation. Okay, top card, I believe that you still have feelings for this person. Okay, let me move spirit. With 10 of cups, this is someone who you want to get married with. Okay, so you still are not willing to quit on them. What else do we see for Aries, please? With Ace of Cups, yes, for many of you, this is the love of your life. Okay, so you consider them your twin flame soulmate, and you just can't see yourself leaving them or getting away from them. Okay, one card for your relationship. What's the energy like? Yeah, with Six of Cups, for many of you, this is the soulmate connection. Okay, with Six of Cups, this is someone who you were supposed to meet, destiny. Okay, right now, this person might not be giving in, they could be closed off, or they have been closed off. Okay, with Queen of Cups, this person also considers you the love of their life. Okay, they are also very emotional, very sensitive, very much connected to you energetically. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they think about you now. With Four of Pentacles, right now this person could not be given. Okay, they are holding back. Okay, what could be the major reason? The blockage. Blockage, I believe, is either long distance for some of you. Chariot card is usually long distance or another option. That would sound stupid after considering you love of their life. Considering another option. Just a second. Yeah, for some of you, they do have an option. Okay, this could be someone who they had prior to you. Okay, someone who they were linked prior to you, and then they met you. Okay, top card, yeah, for many of you there is a active third party situation. Okay, what do they intend to do with you? Right now with Eight of Pentacles, they do have intentions of working things out with you, but so far, what are they willing to offer? Right now, to be honest, like the next couple of days, I still see this person not wanting to make a decision. Okay, they are still very much living in the past. Okay, this person is someone who fears the outcome a lot, who fears how people look at them, what people would think about them, and they are very much in that zone. Okay, one card for, like, what do they really want to happen with the two of you? Six of Swords. See, truth be told, this person, even after having all those feelings for you, is still considering to stay away from you. Okay, one reason why they could be doing this, spirit. This person, I believe, could be having attachment elsewhere, like they are already stuck in a situation. They could have taken a leap of faith recently towards the other connection. I see them actively giving in to the other connection. If they have been silent towards you, reason is they are actively giving into the third party. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings for you. So one of the most confusing readings I've done. Trust me. Right now, this person is not showing you any sort of emotions. Okay, they are rather cold and detached and not really wanting to show you any sort of signs or signal. Okay, one more card in terms of their heart space. Yeah, even their heart space, this person has ghosted you. Like they are not even willing to face their feelings. Okay, one more card in terms of their head space. And if you guys could be dealing with a possible, yeah, this person is going to resist you, darling. Okay, so what is their major intention throughout the next 20 days? See, I'll be very straightforward with you, even if you hate me after this. Nine of Pentacles and Knight of Wands, which is this person is not willing to have a commitment. They are ready to have a fling, but they want it open, like a open relationship, no bounds connection. Okay, in terms of how do they view you now? They feel you could be like holding back, but at the same time they might believe that you might be stalking them. Okay, second card we have for you is the Justice. They know that you are doing the right thing by holding back. Okay, they know it. Okay, in the recent past they could have tried to take that leap of faith elsewhere. Okay, but right, even if they haven't lost those feelings for you, but the problem is this person isn't wanting to offer you any sort of relationship. Okay, in terms of where this is going, see, I still believe in the third week, if not the second, in the third week, this person will give you attention. Okay, this is gonna possibly restart without them even wanting it, because it's meant to. Okay, even if it's dicey right now, the stubborn son of a bitch will be back in your life. Okay, so let's take a couple of spirit messages. It's one of the most confusing readings I've done. The initial cards were so fucking good, and then it all came down. Okay, they know what you want, so they basically know that you want marriage, you want forever. Distance is making them realize your worth, and distance will make them realize your worth. Okay, I'm too messed up right now to involve you in my life. So this person believes that they are too messed up right now to even consider this relationship. Okay, I'm obsessed with you, addicted. That's the last message. So they have been obsessed, and you know it. Okay, I don't think that's something new. Okay, last card. What does Aries need to know about this connection? One card of advisor, one card of trigger. There's still hope, I believe. Okay, there's still hope, and I very much feel that even if they are not wanting it, this thing will come back together. It will take time. There are good chances in the third week, that is post the 21st of 21st of November. Okay, that is when things will start getting normal, and maybe even after, not 21st, I'm so sorry, the 14th to 21st of November. Okay, like between that. Okay, so yes, that is all I have for you, Aries, and I'm really sorry for giving it late. Slightly having issues with the my card reading, and in the Wi-Fi and everything is pretty messed up. Again, for all those who it has resonated for, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you haven't been subscribing to my channel, please do subscribe for regular updates. All those who want a personal reading one-on-one, like direct one-on-one, that is available on Etsy. You can purchase one for yourself. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.